If you have cola and ladyfingers, try this dessert today. Cut a few ladyfingers in half. Pour cola into the bowl. Soak the ladyfingers in cola. Place a layer of ladyfingers in the tray. Mix the whipped cream with powdered sugar in a bowl. Add cream cheese and continue mixing until you obtain a firm cream. Put the cream in the tray. Spread the cream into an even layer and put the tray in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. Slice a lemon into thin slices and place on a plate. Add lime cut into thin slices. A few strawberries finely chopped. Mint and sugar. Mash the fruit with a fork. Put a few tablespoons of the mixture into a glass. Pour sparkling water and still water. Add ice and stir gently. Soak the gelatin in water for 5 minutes. Then melt the gelatin in the microwave. Add Coca Cola and mix well. Remove the foam from the cola jelly. Pour the jelly and chill the tray for 50 minutes. A top-notch dessert, refreshing with a successful combination of layers of ladyfingers, smooth cream, and Coca Cola jelly. The cake will be appreciated especially by children and cola lovers.